Good morning. Okay, today we're going to continue on with our little squatty yoga series. We're going to introduce you to the number 3. All right. So previously we covered our number 1. So basically the first one is we start with a 1, we end with a 1. We start with a 1, thrust, low backhand, thrust, number 1. Our second one was starting with a 1, ending with a 2. 1, thrust, backhand, thrust, and a 2. Our third one is we're going to start with a 1, end with a 3. 1, 2, backhand, thrust, number 3. Okay? So putting it together, it's the same thing. Sometimes with your body mechanics, I've got a bum knee, so I don't always do a lot of rotation on that like I should. But if you were doing for dynamics and body mechanics, you would want to get your thrust, get a very good pivot here, a very nice pivot there, another pivot, and a shot, right? I don't do all that, and actually later you'll realize that your hips can elicit enough power to where you don't necessarily have to do a lot of bobbing and weaving and possibly getting yourself out of position. So just keep that in mind. For pure body mechanics, work the body mechanics, but later on realize the profit and loss, the risks of too much getting out of position, and that you can actually generate just about as much mojo by just using your hips and rotation. Okay, so with that being said, we're going to go back over these again. So number 1 drill was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start with the 1, end with the 1. Second one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start with the 1, end with the 2. Third one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start with the 1, end with the 3. So go ahead and stay with us, and next week we're going to get into mixing these, blending them together, some other ways you can train them to get a little bit more dexterity and familiarity. Okay. Till then, have a great day.